I'm going to make a really quick video, but first I'm going to ask you a question. If you write and illustrate greeting cards, or if you illustrate greeting cards, do you use inside text? Well, 90% inside text accounts for 90% of the market of greeting cards. So my Women Humor cards all have inside text, more pithy than punchline. But in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up your printer or your paper to print inside text, because people tell me they're not sure how to do it. So first of all, I'm just going to print one of my cards, this card in particular, just to show you how I print it. So there's page 4, also known as the back page, and my cover. And then there's my text. 8.5 by 11. I will score it afterwards and I will cut it. And I will leave a link where I get my greeting card supplies, because I shop for the best prices. This is how you're going to feed. So there's my diving girl, a girl I drew. She's diving into the printer. So think of it this way. You're feeding, let's say you're doing your cover first. You're feeding your paper into the printer. So this will be your cover. And she's taking that front dive. She's coming out. See, oh, she's got a little splashy splash. See there? So most key thing you need to remember when you're printing inside text is you're going to flip the page horizontally. You're going to just simply turn the page horizontally. So there's the back. That's how she went in. But let's say I had drawn her on the other side. She's taking a back flip now into the printer. So that's the key. Just a back flip into the printer. Easy, lemon squeezy. So let's see. Let's give her a try. So we're going to just feed her into the printer. And then I put a tiny, tiny piece of text just to make sure I was doing this right. Which I do, because I've sold about 11,000 cards. Bing, bing, bing. Link below in my Etsy Vanity Gallery. Women Humor. I speak the language of girlfriendese. So there you go. That was just my little tiny piece of text to make sure I was doing this correctly. And naturally, as you can see, all the bracelets, it's raised to the elbow with bracelets and bangles, because it gives me just that right weight for my scoring process or my cutting process. But anyway, that's a really, really easy way to set up doing inside text. And I tell you, inside text can be the difference between, should I get this card or get that card? So hope this helped. In the meantime, I'll show you some new cards in a very shortly to come upcoming video. But in the meantime, love, peace, and chicken grease.